Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling back tap in Settings, open Accessibility, then Touch. Choose double tap or triple tap as your trigger. Pick the one you'll use most. Make sure your iPhone 12 runs the latest iOS because updates fix sensor behavior. Once done, select an action from the system list or shortcuts. This is how the gesture links to functionality. Make sure a case isn't too thick because that can dampen the taps and stop reliable detection. Next, assign precise actions. Pick system commands like screenshot or launch a shortcut you created. You want reliable results, so test by double or triple tapping the back while holding the phone naturally. Then try taps on a hard surface to confirm consistency. If it misses, switch to a simpler action or refine your shortcut. Also, experiment with your tap rhythm. Firmer, quicker taps register better than slow, light ones. Make notes of which gesture works most consistently for you. Finally, lock in the setup. Use back tap across apps and with the screen locked to ensure it behaves as expected. If the gesture stops working, restart your iPhone first, then toggle back tap off and on. That often clears glitches. If problems persist, update iOS, check that the assigned shortcut is enabled and not awaiting permissions, or temporarily remove your case. One key troubleshooting tip: restarting and reassigning the action usually restores consistent detection.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.